road, so people go in circles all the time.
Yeah, I think it was gonna add like 5 or 6 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, I ended up adding 3 minutes turning around.
This is it.
Okay. Yeah, this is a big boy.
Yes, it is.
See out this one.
As long as you get this size out of the house.
Oh, it'll make it out there. One trip. It's gonna look a little funny though. This is gonna be quite the experience right here. Are you ready? I want to watch this whole situation here. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Hey, you have a nice day.
You too.
This is a pickup man junk removal. Here at it again. This is looking great. Yep. So we thought that this would be a small, 2-piece sectional, but this is a sectional. This right here, sectional. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, we're not driving the highway today.